welcome to Wig Week, guys. Okay, before we pop the champagne, like, what are we celebrating? First of all, I come alive in the summertime, so bomb videos all spring and summer long. Thumbs up to that. Popping champagne for those of you graduating, high school, college, those of you just had a prom or you're gonna have prom, those of you celebrating new beginnings. So let me know what you guys are popping champagne for. But right now we're popping for these bomb wigs, okay? Okay, y'all ready? Oh shit! I'm okay. It went way across the room and I missed half of it. I'm so happy, you guys. Pardon me. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I have confetti all over me. So yeah, you guys, the surprise is that I'm bringing a series called Wig Week, where I'm gonna do at least one wig video every day this week. And of course today I got these bomb, like with a capital B-O-M-B summer wigs. And every day this week I'm gonna have a new wig video, so definitely make sure you guys are subscribed. And if you do like the videos, definitely thumbs up and I'll bring them back whenever you guys want them. So let's get on to the video. It's my niche, play my role. Alright guys, so we have 3 wigs. I was searching for summer bobs, you know how I do, on my computer, looking for new wigs and such to wear and show you guys. I saw that Outre came out with 3 new lace fronts. They're all like blunt cut bobs with a little bit of curls, so I just got all 3 for you guys. Here they are. I got Aubree, Shani, and this one is Amira. I feel like they made those names with an accent, like Aubree, Shani, and Amira. So we're gonna try on all 3 wigs in this video, and I'm gonna tell you my opinion on if they're like it for the summer. Okay, so here's Amira or Amira in a color 1B. I got them all in a 1B. She rocks what they call a Swiss eye parting space, which is basically, I guess, a wide, kind of like a wide part with these soft Swiss lace. She has combs on the side, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Also, you want to make sure that you protect the hair on your head. So wear your wig cap. It's gonna prevent like friction and damage to your own hair. Okay. I adjusted it to the tightest strap because my head is fairly small. Girls, oh my gosh. Would I be lying if I say that you can wear it just like this? I literally just put it on. What? This is like so perfect. This reminds me of, if this was blonde, this reminds me of like Beyonce's wavy blonde wig. OMG, like look at the lace. Looking at the lace, you guys, it doesn't look like it needs to be plucked or anything. Like this wig is literally ready to wear. Let me see, what does it say? Swiss lace eye parting, check. We got blunt cut curls, check. Heat resistant, high text fiber, safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, that's good because I'm going to flatten the part a little bit. So this wig is looking a little pointy on me and it just came out the package. So I already have my trusty flat iron warmed up to flatten the part a little bit. So let's take a little bit of mousse. This is Cream of Nature. Any mousse will work. And I'm going to put it on the part area, you guys, and then flatten it down with the curling iron. So with the mousse and your curling iron on, so whatever your setting is, just do half of that. And then we're going to, ow! Girl, I almost burnt myself. No, not cool. So you want to be careful. So I'm going to flatten the part and brush her out. And you can already see what a difference that makes. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of powder to my part. If you want to hide your wig cap, just take a little bit of powder. But I use like this color that's not too light. Rub it in. You guys see that? Okay, come through. So here you have it, guys. The wet look bob. Amira or Amira, whatever you want to call her. What would be really cool with Amira would be like if you add like mousse or water, you can really get that fresh out of the water wet look. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you guys know what I'm talking about? I think they even incorporated into the look of the wig. So let me know what you guys think about this one. So as we go along, You can just say which ones you think are cute. So is Amira cute? Like, is she like, I need this? Or is she like, $27, I can wait. You can also tuck her between your ears. Oh my gosh. This looks so flawless. All right, you guys, so who should we do next? We have Shani and we have Aubree. So I chose Shani because why? She has more curls. Like, it really was a difference. If I'm being honest, you guys, these wigs all look the same to me. Y'all should see me on the website trying to order these wigs. I'm like, they all look alike. But yeah, that's why I'm here, you guys. So out of the three, you can pick one, which one you want to wear this summer. And as you can see, Shani has like ringlet curls. So for this one, I can't think of anything. So you guys can tell me which hairstyle this looks like. Like, if you would wand curl your hair and like drop it without like setting it or whatever, I think that's what she looks like. I'm trying to center this damn wig. Is she centered? I'm looking in a mirror and the mirror is like cocksided. One thing I forgot to mention on the last wig was that they do come with baby hairs. So I imagine they'll do a really good job like concealing all of your situation. You probably don't need to lay your edges, probably just a little touch up here. But other than that, this one's perfect as well. So it's like just pop it on and go. But if you're subscribed to this channel, of course, you got to put on some mousse and then do your little curling iron trick. So I'm going to do that right quick and then show you guys how Shani looks. Wig number 2. Numero dos. How do you say 2 in French? Du? Ciao. If you guys speak French, let me know how you say number 2, because I'm going to need you for the next one when I do the third wig. So how do you say like 1, 2, 3 in your native language or your second language? Let me know in the comments below, you guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Girls, have you ever wanted to cry because your hair looks so good? I feel like I'm gonna cry. I've never had a wig that I just slapped on and looked so perfect. Oh my gosh. You guys know I make a lot of videos. I make a lot of wig videos, you guys. But like this one, I am floored. Look at these curls. They're so natural, so flirty, so sexy. The perfect length. Let me show you guys how the side looks. So it's like a slightly angled bob, and it comes with like natural looking hairs here that not only can like conceal your hairline or whatever and make the wig look a little bit more natural, but it kind of gives it this like out of your scalp look. Just look at her, you guys. Yo, Shani. Shani, you're the wig for me. You're the one for me, Shani. Y'all, if I can marry Shani, I would. This wig is so darn gorgeous. So let me know what you guys think about Shani. Here she is in all her glory. I'm like 110% sure that you girls would turn heads with this wig this summer. It's like a nighttime wig, gives me a little Rihanna wild thought. This is like the type of wig that your boyfriend or your husband would actually like. Not that we wear wigs for them anyway, we just wear it because we like them. My husband personally, he enjoys like just the whole process of me experimenting with my wigs. But this will be one of those wigs that he'd be like, ooh, that's cute. And he'll actually notice it. He'd be like, ooh, look at that part. Oh my gosh, I love the curls. This is a wig that the guys will notice, you guys. So if you want to look like Rihanna, get Shani. Work, 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 work. Send me after. So last but hopefully not least, lock the door, lock the door. Lock the door. Gotta lock the door. All right. Last but hopefully not least, we have Aubree or Aubree, depending on what part of the US you're from. So if Amira was Beyonce, Shani is Rihanna, who would this one be, you guys? She looks a little more formal, a little more conservative, a little more safe. You can't go wrong kind of curls. But let's just finish her off and then we'll make our final judgment. Okay, you guys, I'm trying not to manipulate Aubree too much so you can see the full curls. I'm gonna call her Summer Internship Wig. I'm going to call her Corporate Fierce. I'm gonna call her Miss Olivia Pope. This hair feels so good quality, and it feels so human. It doesn't feel like synthetic hair. It says it's a high-tech heat resistant fiber. I haven't heard of it yet, but I'm guessing she's a new thing in synthetic wigs, so high-tech gets my vote. And sorry I keep playing with my hair. This is so natural for me. When I try on a new wig, I just keep playing with it. So I'm going to keep my hands right here. So you know what would really kick this wig up a notch? Some hairspray. So if you want some more volume, you're going to take your hairspray, shake it real good. I'm going to lift Aubree up, and I'm going to spray her with some hairspray. Let her sit a little bit. Go crazy, go crazy! Oh snap! At the last minute, I found a really cute style with this wig. If you put this one behind your ear, bring this one outward, you guys see the amount of curls it has. You can create like this look right here. With the red lip, it's a must. This one with the red lip, yes. Anyways, loves, I'll put the links below where I purchased these wigs. I got them from Elevate Styles. I do have an affiliate link, so if you guys want to get them there, that's where I got them for $26 and change. I want to say super affordable, and they have free shipping over $49. So yeah, you guys, check the description box for all the info, and I'll see you tomorrow for video number 2. Bye! See you there.
I told you that this my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy, best on reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on.